If your car ever died on you in a parking lot, or you watched your tire go flat on the side of the highway with zero help in sight, this video is about to change the way you drive forever. Today, we're breaking down the best air compressor jump starter combo you can get right now. And trust me, one of these three picks might just save your life on the road. We're talking dead battery revivals in seconds, flat tires pumped back up in minutes, and enough backup power to keep your phone alive during an emergency. I tested, researched, and compared these three combo units so you don't have to waste your money on the wrong one. Stick around till the end because the third pick genuinely surprised me. Let's get into it. First up is the DEWALT DXA EPS14. And if you know tools, you know DEWALT doesn't play around. This unit brings serious jump-starting muscle, enough to fire up most cars and trucks, including big V8 engines, without needing a second vehicle anywhere in sight. Built right in is a 120 PSI digital air compressor, so when your tire looks a little sad and low, you just hook up the nozzle,
Punch in your target pressure, and walk away while it fills and shuts itself off automatically. On top of that, you get a 500-watt AC inverter for small electronics, USB charging ports for your phone, and a bright LED work light for those late-night roadside situations. Pros: strong jump-starting power for larger engines. Auto shut-off digital compressor takes the guesswork out. Reverse polarity protection built in for safer connections. Doubles as a mini power station with AC and USB outputs. Cons: bulkier and heavier than smaller lithium combo units. Compressor tops out around 120 PSI, lower than some rivals. Owners consistently praise how confidently it cranks over V8 trucks and SUVs, and reviewers love the sure-fit nozzle system that screws onto the valve stem instead of clamping, which means fewer air leaks over time. Some buyers do mention the unit runs on the heavier side for glove box storage. Next is the WOLFBOX Megavolt 16 Air, and this one is built for people who want power without the bulk. It delivers a strong 3,000 amp peak jumpstart, capable of waking up larger gas and diesel engines, even in freezing or blazing hot weather. The built-in 160 PSI air compressor is genuinely fast, inflating a full-size truck tire in just a couple of minutes, with 4 preset modes and a display that switches between PSI, KPA, and bar, so you're never guessing. Since it also runs on a 16,000 mAh internal battery, it works double duty as a phone charger and power bank, plus a 400 lumen flashlight with SOS and strobe modes for emergencies. Pros: fast 160 PSI compressor with multiple preset modes. Works in extreme cold
and heat. Doubles as a power bank with fast USB-C charging. Compact and easy to store in a glove box or trunk. Cons: smaller cable length compared to bulkier units. Digital screen brightness can be tricky to read in direct sunlight. Reviewers highlight how quickly it fills up tires compared to older compressors they've owned, and many mention it's become their go-to glove box essential. A few users say they wish the clamps were a bit longer for tighter engine bays. Last, but definitely not least, the NOCO Boost GB150. NOCO has been building batteries and chargers for over a century, and this jumpstarter shows it. The GB150 delivers a strong 3,000 amp peak, rated to start bigger gas and diesel engines. And it's built with ultra-safe technology, meaning spark-proof connections and reverse polarity protection, so even a nervous first-timer can use it safely. It's rugged, rubberized, and rated for dust, drops, and rough handling. Plus, it works as a USB-C power bank and has a bright flashlight with 7 modes including SOS. One important note: this specific model focuses purely on jump-starting and power bank duty. It does not include a built-in air compressor like the other two picks, so if tire inflation is a must-have feature for you, keep that in mind. Pros: ultra-safe spark-proof and reverse polarity protected design. Extremely rugged, drop and water-resistant build. Trusted, long-standing brand reputation. Great backup power bank with fast charging.
Cons: no built-in air compressor, jump starter and power bank only. Premium build comes at a higher price point than basic units. Long-term owners frequently say this unit just works year after year, describing it as tough and dependable even after being tossed around in a truck bed.
Several reviewers call it their most trusted emergency tool, though a few wish NOCO offered a version with an integrated compressor. So there you have it, 3 solid air compressor jump starter combo options, each one built for a different kind of driver. Whether you want DEWALT's raw power, WOLFBOX's fast compact compressor, or NOCO's legendary reliability, having one of these in your trunk means you're never truly stranded again. If this video helped you decide, do me a favor and smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next roadside gear breakdown, and share this with a friend or family member who really needs one of these in their car. Drop a comment letting me know which one you're picking. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.